Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a happy holiday season, and today the festivities continue. I'm announcing the winner of my giveaway. I'm giving away this 2-pack of these solar landscaping spotlights by the brand Vont. So first off, I just want to give a quick thank you to everybody who entered the giveaway. A lot of people have actually been asking me if I'm going to do any giveaways for people who live outside of the United States, and the answer is yes. In the new year, I will definitely be doing some international giveaways so people who live in other countries can participate. So if you do want to participate in future giveaways, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on them. So check it out, guys. I'll do a screen recording so you guys could see what I'm doing. And if you look here, I opened a page document, and as you can see, we had 12 entries. I put everybody's Instagram handle who entered the giveaway into this document. And then what I did is I'm doing this giveaway a little bit different than in the past. I found a better website to do this. So check this out, guys. I went ahead and copied all the names from here, and I put them in on this website called Wheel of Names. And basically what happens is I click the center of this wheel, it's gonna spin like crazy, and it's going to stop by itself, and whoever's name it lands on, that person will be the winner of the giveaway. So if you look here on the right hand side, you could see everybody's name, and in the wheel you could see everybody's name as well. So let's go ahead and enter. How do we do? Oh, here we go. Full screen mode, and here we go, guys. On the count of 3, I'm going to hit the center of the wheel. 1, 2, 3. Keeps getting better is the winner of these 2 solar spotlights, landscaping spotlights. So I'll go ahead and message the winner on Instagram. If I do not get a response within 2 weeks, I will pick a new winner. Or if the winner just happens to live outside of the United States, then of course I'll have to pick a new winner as well. But I think I was pretty clear in the instructions, so everybody should be within the United States. And yeah, I'll go ahead and message you on Instagram. Keeps getting better. So once again, guys, thank you to everybody who entered the giveaway, and congratulations to Keeps Getting Better. Enjoy your landscaping spotlights. If you guys did like this video, make sure to go down there and give this video a like. If you do want to see more giveaways by me in the future, and more just videos in general by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button so you don't miss out on anything. I'm planning a lot of exciting content for the new year, so make sure that you are staying tuned for that. Also, if you are not, make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. If you want to check out my 2 reaction channels, I'll go ahead and link those down in the description below as well, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.